έπατες.
Hello from beautiful Paphos. Nice and sunny today. Temperature the same, 18 degrees. Hey, Teddy! Make him quiet now.
Θέλεις εδώ?
Put it, come on. Today the date is 22 February 2022. So it's 22/2/2022. Mirror day?
They call like this. Once in others.
Mary, what you doing? Okay, nice. We see tourists around. Daddy, stop doing that. Nice. Summer is closed. Coming up. Yep, all tourists. I didn't see any locals so far. Πάμε still under construction, of course. Major renovation they're doing.
Check the bus street. You said it's a renovation.
Okay, we'll go through the bus street. Everything is closed, of course, at this time. It's on night live. Let's see if anything anything happening there for the new season. Yeah, it used to be water hole, which is it's closed completely. I don't know what they're gonna make there now. So this is San Antonio Street, or also known as Bar Street. Yeah, it's a rainbow on the left. It's a Caliente restaurant. They're doing some renovation, looks like. Robin Hood on the right. On the left, Tropical Nights. VIP 7 Club. Little church on the left. On the right, VIP 7 Club. Night club. Gentleman's Club. This is Flares. And the busiest one on the summertime with younger age. Teddy wants to go to Flares. Teddy! Put him there. So Woody's used to be Venue's Club many years ago when I was a kid. It's changed, of course. This is nothing, it's closed. Used to be casino for some time. Here used to be, what used to be here? Remind me? I used to be the Haute Felix, which is also gone. Here's a Live Creek Music, Los Foros, Vibes Club, Underground Club, and used to be also a very nice club, but they bombed it. I believe they own it. Maxima's Cafe on the left, and here they are building, and they took out down the old building and they're building a new one. Don't know exactly what it's gonna be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like.